Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a YouTube channel on your iPhone. Go to your YouTube and go to your account on the right corner and tap on your account. From here tap manage your Google account, and from here go to data and privacy and scroll down, and then you will see delete your Google account. So from here tap on that. After that you need to sign into your account to delete your account. So if you sign into your account, then you can easily delete your YouTube channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.